Hello my friends, welcome back again to John's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making Argentinian chorizos. We are going to make it with a pork shoulder, with a pernil. Okay? We are going to take the skin of the pernil and we will make it boneless. We are going to remove the bone from the center of the pernil. And we are going to use the meat and all the fat it has in there, because chorizo, when you make chorizo, it needs fat. If it doesn't have fat, it's dry and that's not good. So the first thing we are going to be doing, we are going to be removing the skin. I'm going to cut the skin over here and I'm going to remove the whole piece of the skin, and that I'm going to save it next time. That's for another video. I'm going to make a arrollado, okay, that's a pork roll, okay. We already removed the skin of the pork shoulder. Now I'm going to start cutting it around the center and look for the bone. I'm going to remove the bone out of it. Now I will be cutting the pork in thin strips, so that way I can put it in the machine and ground it. The pernil whole, it was 11 pounds. After I removed the bone and the skin of it, I have 8¼ pounds, okay? And I will add some pork fat in strips. I'm going to add to it because we want juicy chorizos, juicy sausages, okay? I have this machine that I use to make dough, stuff for cakes, things like that. What I did is I put an attachment to ground the pork on it, okay? And I just want to make sure that the pork, we keep it cold all the time. We don't want the pork to get high in temperature. So what I do, in this bowl, I put ice on it. On top of it, I put this other bowl, and this is when I fold the ground pork when I ground it in the machine. We already have the ground pork in here. Now I'm going to cover it with plastic film. I put it inside the refrigerator right away. Don't forget to sanitize all the equipment you were using, cutting board, knives, and the machine you were using to ground the pork. Okay, very important. The spices we have for the Argentinian chorizos, I'm going to write it down for you. We have the salt, sweet paprika, nutmeg, chopped fresh oregano, minced garlic cloves, ground black pepper, white wine, ground fennel seeds. We are going to mix all the spices together and we'll add it to the ground pork. There we have the mixed spices that we are going to be adding to the ground pork. I will divide the pork in these two bowls and same thing the spices. That way it will be easier to mix it together. the ground pork with the spices already mixed. What I recommend, make 2 small burgers, cook it on a saute pan and taste it. If it needs a little bit more salt, adjust it, okay? I cook it there, 2 small burgers, so I can taste them. And I can adjust the seasoning if I want to. Like you just saw, I made 2 little burgers. I cooked them, well done of course, and I taste them. It was just perfect amount of seasoning, it needed no more salt, nothing like that, okay? I recommend to leave the stuffing for the casings of to make the sausages, okay? I recommend it to leave it until next day. The flavors will blend better, okay? If you are in a rush and you really need it fast, you can stuff the sausage casings same day, okay? Okay guys, here we are back today again. Yesterday I showed you how to make the mix for the pork sausages, okay? And now we have here the casing made of collagen. Casings are comestible, alright? It comes, I buy it in the bags like this, okay? Very useful. So now we are going to start stuffing the casing, okay? I have this machine again. I just changed the attachment to it, and now I'm going to start stuffing the casings. I will try to make the chorizos, Argentinian chorizos, approximately 18 inches, 18 centimeters. That's about, it's about 7 inches long, okay? I'm gonna keep stuffing it. Make sure there is no air on the sausages, okay? Tie it up, make sure they're tight. And we keep going. We're going to put more stuffing in it. We just make sure there is no, like I said, there is no air on the chorizos. Make it tight, nice and tight. And we just keep going until we finish with all the stuffing. That's it. Very simple. We made 17, I made 17 chorizos, okay? With a piece of cord, butcher cord, I tie it up here in the separation between one chorizo and the other one, okay? I think I like it like that when I tie it up to make sure it separates the right way. You see? Very simple. I just make a knot and make a separation. Beautiful, beautiful chorizos, okay? Now I still have more stuffing, but you know what I like to do too? I'm going to make a long sausage like a hot dogs. For that, I have thin casings, especially for making hot dogs. These are thin casings, okay? Same material made of collagen, okay? That's what I'm going to do now. With the rest of the stuffing, I'm going to make hot dog style chorizos. The same way I did before, now I'm doing the hot dogs, same thing. The hot dogs that I'm making are long ones, about 22 centimeters. That's about almost 9 inches. It's about 8 3/4 inches long. Okay, you guys can make it any size you guys want. So I just keep going the same way I did before. Okay, my friends, here we are done. We are finished making chorizos, hot dogs, breakfast sausages. Look at this. I even made breakfast sausages, small sausages. Okay. This I made it for hot dogs. Okay. At about 8 to 9 inches long. And I made these beautiful chorizos, okay? And well, my friends, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Take care.